we don't really have to spend much time analyzing the data, but we can spend the time helping the customer. My name is Cas de Roij. I'm the Director of Klictix, and we do energy consulting for businesses in healthcare, education and industry. Before we started using Wattics, we were using a local program that wasn't really up to the job. It was really lacking in performance in the sense that it didn't really provide the tools we needed to make an in-depth analysis on specifically energy data. So I think about 5 or 6 years ago I came across Wattics, and that's when we started using it. We use Wattics to look at the alarms and the reports that the platform itself generated, and we use that to inform the customers what has been going on their sites and sometimes also in their facilities as well. So we really use it as an in-depth tool to see what was going great and what could be done better. The most value we have created using Wattics is, I think, mainly reducing energy consumption. So Wattics does a lot of stuff for us that we don't need to do, so we don't need to spend the hours doing it, and that really helps getting the reports done, getting a concrete example for a customer how they can reduce energy consumption or energy cost. My experience with Wattics is a fun experience. And I know fun is not always the most important thing, but if you have fun in doing your job and communicating with the people and using the platform, you really get the most out of it. So of course it's about the technical functions, and they generally really are on point, but you really have to be inspired, you really have to be engaged in using the platform. And I think that's what Wattics has really done great in the last couple of years.